Hi everyone, welcome to VIEH Job Search series where we usually tell you about the job openings which is in industry. So today I'm going to tell you about a job which is related to SOC and the job role is SOC Phishing Analyst. So if you are interested in SOC Security Operations Center, if you have knowledge then you can apply for this job role. So in this video I'm going to tell you a little more how to apply, what are things which is required. So first thing is this job is remote and work from home. Requirement is you should have experience of 0 to 2 years, which is if you're a fresher you can apply, and even if you have experience of 1 or 2 years you can apply for this job as well. These are the couple of analytical skills which is required. First thing is the ability to identify and analyze phishing emails and website. Second thing, you should have familiar with the SIM tools like QRadar, Splunk, Wazoo. You should have little knowledge about how to handle a threat intelligence platform and anti-phishing tools as well. Apart from this, knowledge of security, email security is required actually, in which how does SMTP work, how it work into the networking, what is email routing, and what is security protocols. So as this job is related to phishing, so you should have a very good knowledge about all those things and how actually email get transmitted over the internet. Company name is Equintrix Private Limited, and if you're interested for this job role, then you should might get a very hectic work scheduling, and sometime this will be comfortable, like you can work anytime. You can have some specific set of things which is given to you. Another thing is if you want to apply for this job role, then you can just fill out this form. I just shared this link into the PPT along with I'll drop into the comment box as well. You just need to fill out this form, and parallelly only qualified candidate will get contacted for the interview. So if you get selected, then you will get a mail, and this is a LinkedIn page of the company, those who are hiring for this job role. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.